Ever dreamt of breathing retro life into your game concepts or creating stunning pixel art with the magic of AI? Today, we're diving deep into making pixel art in Midjourney. Midjourney, while powerful, requires a specific touch to conjure that beloved retro aesthetic. Let's unlock its pixel art potential. The secret sauce starts with your prompt. Think directly about pixels. Incorporate phrases like pixel art, 8-bit, 16-bit, or even retro game sprite. Be descriptive with your subject matter, just like you'd be for any other Midjourney generation. Details about color, pose, and context will guide the AI. To really nail the pixel art look, we'll leverage Midjourney's parameters. The style raw parameter often helps to reduce Midjourney's default stylization, giving you a cleaner canvas for pixelation. Crucially, we can influence the overall aesthetic. Experiment with very low Stylize values, perhaps between 10 and 50. This tells Midjourney to rely more on your prompt specifics rather than its own artistic interpretation. When you get a result you like, use the V buttons to generate variations. This allows you to refine the pixel density, color choices, and overall composition of your retro assets, from character sprites to iconic game items. By mastering these prompt strategies and parameter adjustments, you can transform your ideas into authentic, AI-powered pixel art masterpieces. So go forth, experiment, and make some incredible pixel art.